Assalamualaikum students, I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology. Now students, we are starting our new chapter. What? Plant tissues. The plants which having tissues we called as plant tissues. Tissues, what is meant by tissues? A group of cells combining to form a tissues. Okay students, a group of cells combining to form a tissues. A group of cells similar in structure and performing a similar function we called as tissues. A group of cells similar in structure and as well as performing similar function we called as tissues. Okay students, now we will learn more about tissues. So students, in first chapter what we will read, what we will learn and what we will read, we will learn cell structure and function. Is it right? Yes, we see unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. In first class only I will told this unicellular and multicellular. So what is meant by unicellular organisms? Unicellular organisms is nothing but cell, the organism which having single cell. The organisms which having single cell we called as unicellular organisms. These single cells perform all functions like respiration, excretion, reproduction, etc. But in multicellular organisms, if more than one cell is present, we called as multicellular organisms. Unicellular is nothing but only one type of one cell is present, we called as unicellular organisms. Multicellular is organism is nothing but if more than one cell is present, we called as multicellular organisms. And these cells are performing the various functions. Now we will see. So like that, plant also having multicellular cells, yani means different types of more than one type of cell is present, we called as multicellular cells. They perform several life processes such as growth, excretion, respiration, etc. similar to those performed by animals. Like we are also coming under the which multicellular only. We are also having different types of cells. More than one type of cells perform more than one type of cells, and these cells are performing what functions they will do? They will growth and respiration and excretion, etc. Okay students, so in the plant, the multicellular, what he will do, what function will be play multicellular cells? In the perform photosynthesis and preparing food, not only for themselves but also for other living organisms. So plant, what will we do? Plant will perform photosynthesis activity. Photosynthesis activity is nothing but by using light, sunlight and chlorophyll, and using by utilizing carbon dioxide and water, plants will produce food we called as photosynthesis. The plant which are preparing the food, who will be used that food? Human beings are use this foods directly or indirectly. Yes students. So in this activity what we will do? We will learn the parts of the plants and their functions. Okay students. So what we have to do? We have to study the function of the parts of the plants in earlier classes. Read the function and write given below and write the names of the part involving performing the respective function. So just you see here, observation of water from soil, name of the part. So roots are responsible for observation of soil. Roots are responsible for observing water through soils. Exchange of gases take place in where students? Stomata. Photosynthesis take place in leaf, and transpiration is take place in stomata of leaf. Reproduction is take place in flowers. Like that we have to write. Now in activity 2, what we have to do? Cell in onion peel. We have to observe onion peel, like we have to observe the cells in onion peel. Take a piece of onion peel. We have to take a piece of onion peel and we have to place it on slide, and afterwards what we have to do? We have to drop a water and then drop a glycerin to it. We have to add a drop of water as well as glycerin to it, and after that what we have to do? We have to observe under the microscope. Gently cover with a cover slip. After that what we have to do? We have to cover this with cover slip and we have to observe the under the microscope. Just you will see this type of structures. So what is cell wall students? Cell wall, the cell which is covered by a membrane, surrounded by a membrane, what we call cell membrane, and the cell membrane is covered by a layer membrane, what we call cell wall. Nucleus, brown color spouts are present, or maybe red color spouts are present, we called as nucleus. In between the cell wall and cytoplasm, in between the cell wall and nucleus, a jelly like substances is present. What we called? We called cytoplasm. Is it right, student? Yes, is it right? So what we will observe means all the cells are similar in shape and structure. All the cells, yes, all the cells are similar in their shape as well as in structure. Intercellular space are present, and cells are arranged in a which type of manners? Cells are arranged in a row manner. Each cell has cell wall as well as nucleus as well as cytoplasm. Yes, student. Now in this activity, what we have to do? We have to take a leaf peel. Okay, student. So students, we have to observe cell in leaf peel. So what we have to do? We have to take a betel leaf, okay, or maybe rohio leaf. After that, we have to tear it with a single stroke, and so that a thin edge be seen at the turn end. After that, observe this thin edge where the leaf has been turned under the microscope. After that, we have to observe under the microscope. When we are observing under the microscope, this type of structures we will see. It is a betel leaf. Okay, one type of leaf is there, betel leaf. So here, just you see here, betel leaf peel is there, and as well as onion peels are there. They are similar in structure. No, they are not similar in structure. Onion peel having a different structure, and betel leaf cell is also having a different structure in cell. Cells in root tip. Roots is nothing but, just you see here, we call this part as roots. Okay. So in this activity, what we have to do? Are the cells in the root similar to the leaf? Let us find out the cells arranged in a root. So we have to find out the cells which are present in the root. Which type of roots cells are present in the root? So in this activity, what we have to do? We have to take a transparent bottle with water and take the onion bulb slightly larger than a mouth of the bottle. Just you see here, we have to take the transparent bottle is there, and along with water is some water is there, along with some onion bulb is there. Put the onion bulb on the mouth of the bottle. After that, what we have to do? We have to keep the onion on the mouth of the bottle. Observe the growth of the root for few days till they grow to nearly in a inch. After that, what we have to observe? We have to observe the roots. Okay. Roots for few days. We have to observe the roots for few days till they grow to nearly in a inch. After that, it will be grow in a inch. Take the onion out and cut some of the root tips. After that, what we have to do? We have to take onion out from the transparent bottle, and we have to cut some root tips. After that, take an onion root tip, place it on the slide, put a drop of water and then a drop of glycerin to it, cover with a cover slip. After that, we have to cover with cover slip. Remove excess water with the help of blotting paper. Okay. Tap the cover slip, gently press with blunt end of the needle brush to spread the material. With the help of blunt end, the material will be spread on the slide. After that, we have to observe the under the microscope. Okay, students. When you will observe in the microscope, this type of structure will be seen. Okay, all the cells are not similar in shape and structure. All the cells are not similar in shape and structure. The cells are arranged in a row manners. Okay, meristems are present below the root caps. Okay, students, listen here. First of all, what I tell you, I will give you homework. Define the terms tissue, meristematic tissue and dermal tissue. Okay. You write these terms in your homework deeply. Don't write 2 to 3 lines. Write more. In the how much it will be present in the workbook, that much you will be write. Don't write 2 to 3 lines. Okay. After that, you submit in the group.